Ginger and mint tea is a delicious and invigorating beverage that combines the soothing properties of ginger and the refreshing taste of mint. It is often enjoyed hot or cold and can be a great way to relax and unwind. In this video, I will be showing you how I enjoy my ginger and mint tea as a student. So, firstly, I add my 2 cups of water because I'll be sharing this with my roommate. I added 2 cups of water to my pot, and then I added I've forgotten the English name, but that's guruva powder. I don't know the English name. So this is my ginger and mint tea. I will be adding just like 1 spoonful. I used a very small spoon, but if you're using like a big spoon, one spoon is okay. So that's just the simple way I enjoy my ginger and mint tea. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're going to give this a try. This is available on sale and it's so affordable. Hit the DM to purchase.